To begin, open the Facebook Messenger app on your phone. From the bottom menu, tap on Stories. You will now see all the stories your friends have posted. Find the person whose story you want to hide, then tap and hold on their story. A menu will appear. Select Hide Story from the options. That person's story will immediately disappear from here. Their future stories will also no longer appear, and they won't be notified that you muted them. If you change your mind and want to unmute the story, tap the menu icon in the bottom right corner. From the list of options, select Settings. Swipe up to scroll down. Under Preferences section, select Privacy and Safety. Scroll down again. Under the What People See section, select Story Controls. Then go to Stories You Have Muted. Here, you will see a list of people whose stories you have muted. Find the person you want to unmute, then tap the Unmute button next to their name. A message will pop up saying, Show stories from this person. Tap Show to confirm. That person's future stories will start appearing in your story feed again, just like before. How to mute or unmute someone's story on Facebook Messenger.